Hello everyone, my name is Alexis and I'm with the Bain Group. And today I'll be sharing how you can create and use avatars within Teams. This is a new way to join meetings which allows you to stay present in a creative way within Microsoft Teams calls. We will first be talking about how to install the Avatar app and then moving on to creating an avatar and then how to use an avatar within a Teams call. First step into creating an avatar within Microsoft Teams is first you need to install the Avatars app. So on the left side of Teams, select Apps and then search for Avatars. And then you will then open the app or you can install the app. So when creating an avatar from scratch, you'll have to choose from a wide selection of base avatars as a starting point. Pick one that looks most like you and then select Use Avatar. And there you have it. Once you select an avatar to start off with, then you'll have the ability to customize your avatar from clothing to small face features. All right, so once you've created and customized your avatar to your liking, you will then want to start using your avatar. So the way to use your avatar is you'll first have to join a call. So once you're in this call, you'll then have to make sure that your camera is turned off. Once your camera is turned off, you can then click on Effects and Avatar, and you should see your avatar at the bottom. And then you can just simply click on your avatar, and look, you're using your avatar within a Teams call. So now you can just join that call with your avatar. And some cool things that the avatar actually allows you to do is you can see that your mouth is moving as you're talking. You also have the ability to show some reactions. So thumbs up works, laughing also works, and then there's even some more high-level reactions that you can even give a try. So to access these high-level reactions, you'll just simply click on More. Once clicking on More, you can then click on Effects and Avatar. Once you're in Effects and Avatars, you'll have the ability to edit your avatar, to choose different avatar high-level reactions, avatar backgrounds, avatar mood. So this is where you'll be able to access all this high-level avatar functionality. Go ahead and give it a try, and thank you. Thank you again for joining me in this tips and tricks video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, and we will see you next time.